Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting exercise 9C, which is based on the cost price and the selling price. So first of all, you need to understand what is cost price. If I have a chocolate box, right, and I have purchased it for rupees 50 and I sold it to my friend at rupees 80, right? So the money which I have spent on the chocolate is called its cost price and we denote it by CP, and the money on which I have sold it to the another person is called its selling price and we denote it by SP, right? Now if I'm selling on more money, it means if the selling price is greater, right? अगर selling price क्या है, greater है, then this is the case of profit, क्योंकि मुझे फायदा हो रहा है, right? Profit, or we can say gain. But on the other hand, if cost price is greater, it means I have purchased an article on the greater amount and I have sold it at the smaller amount. It means selling price क्या हो गया, कम हो गया. So this is the case of loss. Clear? So if selling price is greater than cost price, this is called profit. But if कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर, अगर मैंने ज़्यादा पर परचेज किया है और उसको कम पर सेल किया है, देन दिस इज द केस ऑफ लॉस. नाउ वी हैव सम फॉर्मूलाज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव प्रॉफिट, अगर मुझे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, इट मीन्स प्रॉफिट किस केस में होता है, इफ सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, राइट? इन दैट केस, from selling price I will subtract cost price to find the profit. To find the loss के लिए क्या करेंगे, from cost price we will subtract the selling price. This is the formula of profit and the loss. Now if they are asking profit percent, अगर वो आपसे profit percent पूछते हैं, then profit percent will be in numerator, write profit. Denominator will be CP. It means cost price, the money which we have spent to purchase that article. Multiply 100. This is the profit percent. Similarly for the loss percent के लिए भी क्या होगा, in numerator there will be loss. Denominator will remain same, CP, cost price, multiply by 100. So these are some basic formulas of profit, loss, profit percent and the loss percent. Now there is a relation between CP and SP. If they are asking cost price, right? Now C means century, so 100 will be in numerator. In denominator, if you have profit, then we will put plus sign here and then we will write profit percent multiply by selling price. Clear? If they are asking CP ही पूछ रहे हैं, but now we have loss. Okay, loss given है, so in that case in denominator there will be 100 minus loss percent multiply SP. If they are asking SP and they have given CP and profit percent, in case of SP put 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiply CP. For selling price, if we have loss, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiply CP, right? So these are the formulas which you have to learn to solve the question of this exercise. For now, it may seems quite confusing, but when you will practice with the questions, it will be very easy for you. So let's start with the exercise work. Question number 1 of this exercise is, a shopkeeper bought a second-hand car for rupees this. कितने का परचेज किया है? रुपीज 1,50,000. He spends 10,000 on its painting and repair. पेंटिंग एंड रिपेयर के लिए कितना स्पेंड किया? 10,000. सो टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस विल बी, कॉस्ट प्राइस कितना हो जाएगा? द परचेजिंग प्राइस ऑफ कार विच इज रुपीज 1,50,000 प्लस द मनी स्पेंट for painting and repair, this is rupees 10,000. So now this will be your cost price. Cost price is, add them, this will be rupees 1,60,000. Now they have given in the next line, then sold it for rupees this. It means this is the selling price. Selling price क्या given है? Rupees 2 lakh. Now find his profit or loss. It means हमें पता करना है, is it profit or loss? Selling price is this and the cost price is this. अगर आपने कोई चीज़ कम पर परचेज की है, ज़्यादा पर सेल कर दी है, it means you are getting profit, right? If cost price is less than selling price, आपने ज़्यादा पर सेल किया है, so this is क्या है ये? Profit. Right? And to find profit, what you will do here? Profit will be from the greater one, it means from selling price subtract cost price. So selling price is, selling price कितना है? रुपीज 2 lakh and the cost price is, cost price कितना है? 1,60,000. When you will subtract them, you will get 40,000 rupees. So this is the profit which the shopkeeper have got. So this is your answer. Next question, Vijay bought a house for rupees this and spent itne on repairing, whitewashing, right? So total cost price will be, total cost price क्या हो जाएगा? Total cost price will be purchasing price of the house. Purchase करने के लिए कितना spend किया है? 4,50,000 प्लस जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा स्पेंड किया है, like for repairing, maintaining, right? So this is rupees 20,000. So total cost price is, add them, rupees 4,70,000. Now in the next line, sold it for rupees this. So selling price कितना है? Selling price is rupees 4,30,000. Find gain or loss. What is greater? This is the cost price and this is the selling price. Cost price is greater. Cost price क्या है? ज़्यादा है. It means ज़्यादा पर हमने परचेज किया है और सेल किस पर किया है? कम पर किया है. Cost price is greater than selling price. So it is loss. Right? अगर हमने ज़्यादा पर परचेज किया है, it means हमने ज़्यादा स्पेंड किए हैं ना. So this is the case of loss. Now how you can find the loss? Loss कैसे find out करेंगे? From the greater value, it means from the cost price subtract selling price. Cost price is rupees 4,70,000 minus selling price is rupees 4,30,000. Clear? When you will subtract them, you will get rupees 40,000. So this is your answer.